Okay, guys, this is all the monsters. So let's go. Oh, okay. Well, that was an easy one. So next, oh. Yep. Oh my god. It's taking a damage. Oh my. Oh my. What the heck? Where did that come from? Oh. Oh my. What is? Oh my god. Oh, yep. He's actually dead. Next up is the robot. Oh my gosh. Like, what the frick? Oh! What is this not Oh! Where is he going to the house? And this little fella. Oh, the evil green. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Like, what the? Did you actually hear that? Just actually said like that. Okay. Okay. Oh. Next up is this. Okay. Oh. Yep, you're dead. Next. Oh, this is like a small guy. Ow! Oh my. Yep, you're dead. Oh my god. This is actually a dragon. Oh my gosh. Okay, next. Oh, this is the night. This is look at that big head, bruh. You see? Oh, it's a cactus. It's a cactus man. Yep, that was so easy. Oh, the bomb guy. Oh no. Oh my. What's this? So it's like a 2 damage or 3 damage. Oh, it just actually blows up like that. Oh, there's another one right here. Yep, you're dead. Oh. Oh my gosh. Why they're so cheap? Oh my gosh. It's like a super hard spider. Yes, you're dead. Next is a cactus. What's this plant? Oh my gosh. He's like a monster. Oh, this is actually. Oh, yes.
No.
Yes.
No.
Okay, so next up on these monsters. So next on these monsters. So I had to wait. So this is my actually 2 team, and then look at this. And there's a bat. There's actually bat and then evil green. Oh my. What is this? Oh my. What was that? I didn't do anything. Okay, just take this. So this is like a... Oh yeah, there's a giant cactus man. It's a giant. Oh my gosh, there's just so many of them. There was like so many of them. What was that? What was that for? Just so. Yep, it is actually right here. So there's a bat. There's a bat. There's a. Oh. So I have this. So where are they? Where are they? Where are they? So where are they? Yep, it is actually right here. Oh my gosh. Ow, what was that? Like what? There's actually evil green right there. There's actually two. There's actually two. Oh my god. One, these three and then go. There is some like, oh, what's this? Oh, there's a bottle. No, I don't. Oh my gosh, it just actually scares me. It just actually scares me. Okay. It's like a... So I'm collecting all of these. Just collecting. Yeah, nobody is actually right here. Oh yeah, there's a one in there. There's actually one in there. Oh no. Oh my gosh, there's actually... Oh no. What is this? Oh, there's actually giant spider right there. It's actually giant spider. What's this? Yeah, there's actually big right there. Okay. So guys, thanks for watching. For video, hit subscribe. Bye. Peace out.